Hey everyone! How important this video is, you probably already understand. Today we're diving deep into something crucial for all YouTubers: music, sound effects, and memes. How to use them without destroying your channel. I'm talking about the kind of music and sounds that enhance your videos, and then memes that make it even funnier. If you use any kind of those in a wrong way in your video, your channel might facing copyright issues, including a copyright strike on your channel, a copyright claim, YouTube blocking your video, turning off monetization, or even worse, losing your channel's monetization entirely. So yeah, this is important stuff. In this video, we'll explore where to download music, sound effects, and memes, from what sources you can download them without any video problems. And the best part, I'm going to share some tricks. You can download the audio and use it without the fear of having any problems. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about music. Everything that I'm going to show you will be completely free and exclusively available for YouTube. So what sound you're looking for your YouTube videos? First of all, there is YouTube audio library with a lot of free audio you can use. That's right. You have access to it for free, but the sounds won't all fit your purpose. Sometimes. But if you can't find what you're looking for on YouTube audio library, don't worry. There are some free third-party sites you can safely download your audio. You can use YouTube's audio library. If you don't know where it is, it's in the Customize tab. Here you can access the sounds and download them. You can even filter them. You can download audio or the track that you are looking for by mood, license, or genre. But if you cannot find the sound that you want, don't worry. There is where the third-party sites helps you out. I'm going to show you some websites that are safe and free to use. You will find their names above and on the video description. When you use the audios downloaded from these sites, make sure they don't need any kind of credit. Most of them are free to use, just mentioning or crediting the author. But if you want to download music from YouTube, there are some verified YouTube channels that provide you music. Look their names above and on video description. I recommend that you download the audio from the specific video from the channel. Check the video description. Look for any kind of requisite on the audio, like credits to the author. A lot of them need you to mention them. But a plus for them is that if you use it correctly, you won't have any problems. Remember to check if it is an official creator. You are not in any kind of risk. There could be cases like paid music, but someone posts for free on YouTube. Be careful. The real one is the official creator. For you to understand better, there are some audios that aren't for free. There are paid audios, but someone for some reason puts it on YouTube for free. You download it and put on your channel thinking that it was free, but you are at risk when doing this. Also remember, you must not upload another person's content into your channel, okay? So here's a bonus tip that's worked really well for me. Sometimes you listen to a music and likes it, but the name is unknown, neither what is it like. What now? Well, if you have iOS or Android, there is an app called Shazam. Download it. You can test the music and the app will say to you what the name is. It's a lot recommended that you do all the steps to don't face copyright problems. But let's go now to sound effects. It's something essential to a video, like clicks, whoosh sound, or some keyboard typing. There are a lot of sound effects, but do you know what the main problem is in that kind of sound? Is to find the name. I'm going to show you how to search the name. Let's see. Google the name that you want. As example, let's use best sound effects for video editing. You will notice a lot of packages on YouTube and you can download them from the videos. But The main point is to remember the name, so if you forget about, you can find it later. Another bonus tip is, as a creator, you can create your own sounds, block the surroundings, and then create what you are looking for. Let's talk about memes. What about their problems on YouTube? While using the memes is a fair use topic, you cannot use it directly, but you want to make your video funny, and that is why it's fair use. You can find the memes from any source like YouTube or TikTok. If these channels show their meme contents on the screen, then they are royalty-free contents. I've now told you what to do. So now I'll explain what not to do. For the videos to be copyrighted, if you directly copy from others' channel, your channel will be demonetized. So don't copy others' videos without your own creation. That is, music, sound, effect, meme. You must keep these 3 items in mind. Now let's tell you directly from where and how you can upload directly in your channels. It's going to be clear to you all. These all have to be known in your mind. If the video seemed important to you, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all.